So again, the wire 1 millimeter. Again, the wire 1 millimeter. Then we're going to make a winger design. Winger design here today, this time. So copper wire with black today. So the first we will going to fold it here. Fold the piece of the wire. We go to make a winger. Okay, here first we fold here, then fold it. Okay. Here. Fold it again. Okay. And fold. And fold. So this is the way that's to make the fold. I'm here, sorry. Hi. This one. 加油加油 Yes, she's packing. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can fold one more, a bigger winger. Okay, fold. Okay, so fold it like this, then to make it this way. It's like a winger for the angel here. Okay, then let's also use the wire 0.4 and we go to wrap this ring band. Cut it 2 feet. We cut it 2 feet here. Then we go start to wrap. First, 1 time wrap here, and wrap the 2, and wrap the single wire 2 times, then 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2, 2, and 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Here, wrap. here, and the 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Here. And wrap 2, 2. Thank you, my friends, to type the screen, give me some free like. Here we are a shop that share with people how to making the jewelry by ourselves. So it's wire wrapper here. If you are interested to do the handmade, you can learn here, get the materials, and come to my live streaming to learn how to making the jewelry by the wire. I almost go live every day, so you can learn the different design every day. Here we are making a wing ring. Also, we have more than 600 different tutorials in my TikTok page. It's a free tutorial. You can check the tutorial anytime. Wrapper, 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 wrapper. Wrapper. And the wrapper. Thank you to be my friends if you are new here. So the tips that to wrap this technique is use your top of the finger to wrap and to wrap every loop tight. Every loop be tight here. And wrap. Wrap. Let's see. Hi, Blue Moon. Happy to see you. Okay. Hello, Ring. Happy to see you. Yes, it's going to be a ring. And here we cut it later. The ring band we finished, and here we go start to wrap the black beads on. Today we are make the black ring with the gold. The look is expensive look, and here we go to use the wire again, the 0.4, cut it 1 feet, cut 1 feet, and then we go start to wrap it on. Here. This way. String the beads. attaching the beads here. Thank you, Uniqueen Love, for your nice gift. Hello, Zava. I'm good, Zava. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much. So here we are wrap the beads here. The first. Okay, then come the second line. We rub the beads line one by one. Wing ring here, this one. It's the black design. Here the second wire wrapper here. Okay, are you using 2 or 3 millimeter beads? It's 2 millimeter beads. Did you sell professional stamps or not yet? Already sell. Zava is updated in shop. $12. You can just search stamp in the shop. Then you will find a link. You can order directly, and don't forget to leave me the message about your logo. Your logo that you want to printing. You send me a picture, then I will make it for you. Yeah. Here. It's for the people to do for small business your own logo with your own logo. Here. Okay, then next. Hello, Tanya V. Happy to see you. Continue the beads. Wing ring here. This one. Here wrapper. Go through. Wrapper. wrapper. It's this way. That's to wrap the wing beads. Okay, here, then we can finish it. Okay, what size do you think is good for stamp? What you are using for your stamp? Are you using it for printing the packing box? Hello, Liana, Lily, happy to see you. So it's this way. Then let's go into make. It's a ring actually. Yeah, actually it's a ring, my dear. It can be for helping as well. For packing box and for label on printing where if you can check your packing box is big or small. If it's a small one, you can use it to make a size that's both for label and both for the box. Yeah. Okay, so here we're going to bend the shape. Yeah, you can measure it. Okay, then here we wear it. So it's a ring that we finished a wing ring. This one black. So here the ring. This ring is with the black correction here. Expensive look here. And I will going to make another black ring by the wire 0.6